Welcome back everyone to part 3. It's 25th of October 2021 and it's just gone 33 minutes past 10. I was just explaining the trade on AUD NZD and what I'm going to do. I've explained it on the previous video, which is part 2. So we're just going to quickly move on to CAD Chef. And we're going to look at this pair. We can see that it's come to a resistance zone here. Okay, we are on a bullish move on the weekly, and we can see on the monthly that we are crossing over the MAs. So our bias is to buy the market only if we get a good buy signal. So what I'm gonna do here, this was a high that was that failed to break. They failed to break this high. So this is a new high that has been produced, but I am not gonna mark it off now. I'm gonna wait. The only time I actually mark it off is when I get a print of a black bearish candle following the close of a bullish candle. So I'm gonna carry on waiting. Possibly it's gonna take another 2 or 3 days till we actually see something here. Maybe price does break through here. Okay, if price does break through here and if the price action looks good, we will buy at this point with a small stop loss, hoping that it finds support here and then carries on moving up. So we're going to move on to the Euro CAD, and we're going to take a look at what price is doing here. So as I've shown you here that price is at support level. I'm just one moment guys, I'm just going to pause the video. Okay guys, I'm on yeah, so I was explaining we're on a support area, and as I explained, I think I said about this pair that this pair could go either way. So we're going to carry on waiting and we're going to see what this pair does. I can't see anything that is worth trading at this point at the moment. So we're going to move on to Euro NZD. So Euro NZD, we had a bias to sell this market. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here now, I'm gonna just check on the daily to confirm if we have anything. So as you can see guys, the importance of waiting for the daily candle to close. This strong move towards the downside was not strong enough to close below the lows here. Okay, if the candle actually closed below the low, then I would have definitely got in for a sell, and I would just let the market do what it wants to do after we got into the trade. So guys, be ready for this one. Stay tuned for this one. Possibly this week, someday this week, we may get into a trade on the Euro NZD towards the downside. Okay, so now moving on to GBP AUD. GBP AUD, okay, so we could get a turn right here. So we can see, okay, so yeah, I'm a bit I need to trade with caution here. As I can see, this candle did break the low here. Okay, So I could get in for an actual sell right here, but I'm just gonna measure how much. Okay, so that is, but we're already at this area, this zone. So okay guys, what am I gonna do? Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, guys, I'm gonna get in for a no, I'm not gonna do that actually. I'm not gonna do that. Why? Because I remember getting stopped out last week on this pair right here. It is quite dodgy. I mean, the GBP AUD pairs, I don't know why. Most of those pairs, if you look at them that have the GBP, they've got big massive spikes on each candle on the daily. So, you know, the volatility is might be too much volatility. You know, there's volatility and then there's too much volatility where your stop loss starts getting taken out. And good point here. Okay, so okay guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave this. If I'm not confident, I don't enter, and I don't let greed take over me. So there's something that I don't feel comfortable about here. Okay, so I'm gonna wait and see what happens. Maybe it's nothing, but it's better to not enter a trade than to enter a trade and then lose. So we're gonna move on to GBP CAD, and okay, we're gonna leave this one, guys. Yeah, we're gonna leave this one. I don't see anything worth trading here at the moment. Okay, we didn't get a break of the high, neither did we get a strong move down towards the low, so we're just gonna move on to GBP chef. Okay, nothing there. GBP NZD, so let's take a look at this pair. Okay, we're at a support area, and as you can see, look at this candle there, guys. Okay, so if that candle that my cursor is on had a strong close below these lows, then I possibly would have considered taking a trade you know, towards the downside, but the rejection here showing me that most likely price might turn here and then carry on going back up. So we're gonna have to actually wait and see what happens here. And generally, if GBP does go up, then this pair that we were looking at here, that will also most likely possibly most likely move up as well. So I'm just going to stay away from that one until I can see it more clearly. Moving on to the NZD CAD. Okay. Sideways. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, guys. we're gonna wait and see what happens tomorrow. Possibility we could get in for a buy. There is a possibility that we could get in for a buy. Yes, so if there is a break here, then we may get in for a buy. So we'll keep an eye on this one. Probably tomorrow or the day after, we may get a break here. Last pair, NZD Chef. Okay, so we're still waiting for this pair to set up. We may get a break tomorrow or Wednesday on this pair, and then we will go bullish. We will enter a buy. Okay, that's the end of the video, guys. If you like the video, if you enjoyed the content and what I'm doing, and you want to carry on watching, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share. Any questions you have, please leave them below in the comment section and I'll try my best to answer them. There's 3 parts to this video because I only have a limit of 15 minutes, I think it is, so I had to fit it onto 3 separate parts. So please watch all of them, and guys, I hope you have a good night and a good day tomorrow, and I'll see you on the next one, on the next video tomorrow. Cheers, bye.